Yo, it's your boy Will, and I'm back in another video. And today we will clean up with Will, and this is day 17. I repeat, this is day 17, and we will clean up for 7 minutes. I'm gonna do the rest off camera, of course, but I'm gonna do the majority of it on camera just to get my content. Alright, let's go. Seven minutes on the dot. 7 minutes, bro. 7 minutes. Why my phone on me? Why is it on me loaded? I don't want to do it like this. Hold on. It might be this right here. If it's that. Lord have mercy, man. My phone about to fall down, bro. Like, come on, man. We got 5 minutes on the dot. Let's put it over. Let's sweep up the floor, man. Where the broom at? Oh, you know what? I'm just focused on this, bro. We never say how. Bend down on the right side. Tell them on the left side. Mm. You can't get this to the dog. I had some of that good yesterday, man. That barbecue barbecue ribs. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Hope you all getting up now. Starting your day. It's on that. Remember, we are not rich yet, bro. We have no time to be sleeping at all. So if you lay down holding your pillow tight, start doing that. We is not rich yet. You know when you're rich, when you know. You know when you know. It's not time for us to get comfortable at all. It's time to build our own stuff, our own opportunity, instead of working for somebody else for the rest of our life, man. Oh, there goes the timer. All right, y'all. This is day 16 of cleaning up with your boy Will. I will do the rest after this video, but it's your boy Will checking out, and I'm going.